I'm going to show you how to do a purl stitch. The first thing you want to do when you're purling is to make sure your working yarn is on the front side of your work or closest to you, opposed to being on the far side of your work or away from you. So here we have it in the front of our work. Now, what I'm going to do to purl is going to take this tip of my right needle and I'm going to insert it into the front leg of this first stitch on my left needle in a towards me motion. So from back here towards me through this front leg of this first stitch. Then with my right hand, I'm going to take my working yarn and I'm going to loop it around the tip of that right needle in a counterclockwise motion. Now, I'm going to gently push the tip of this needle through that stitch on the left needle, bringing the loop with it. And I've now created a new stitch and I've let that stitch fall off the left needle. Let me show you again. Take the tip of your right needle towards you through that front leg on the first stitch of the left needle. With your right hand, counterclockwise, wrap this tip of the right needle, gently push the right needle through that first stitch on the left needle, bringing the loop with it. Let that stitch fall off the left needle, and now you have a new stitch on your right needle. I'll do this a few more times. And that's how you do a purl stitch. It's as easy as that.